Hello, I am Rene from ZSK Germany, and this time I would like to show you how to install a software on the T8 unique control system. In this case, we needed sometimes to update just your software because we do have different features on the machine which is then necessary, or if you have any issue with the T8, you are also able to use then the software key here, which is in your belongings. The software key does have the actual software version on it, and as I said, it could be that you need to have an update. In this case, please get in touch with our distributor and you will get then a link to download the latest software for the machine. Right, in this situation what we have to do is very simple. You take your USB flash drive and put it in one of these plugs behind. Actually, we have three possibilities. I put it one in, and what we have to do next is to have a look on that panel, and in this case we need to go to the button called software and hardware settings. In L7 software hardware settings we do have actually several possibilities, but one button is hidden, and to get it you have to hold on the shift key. Please hold it and press it and use the U0 button, that one. Finally, you will see another function appears over here called software update. If I press the button, the system will reboot. And we are now in a window where I can see my files, which I can actually update it. Basically, you should take it everyone and start with number 1, which means T8 operating system. So if I press the button here, it shows me already the folder on the USB flash drive. In this case, I open the folder while I'm pressing change directory. Inside here we see now a blue icon. This is actually always necessary. To get to this, use please the arrow keys. We go down and then I can select it with the button here. Select and install. So this can take several seconds and it will go back then to our window where we have been before. Here we are. The second one we have to choose. This is the T8 terminal software. Press the button. Again we have to press the button change directory. Go down with the arrow keys to the blue icon and select it and install. Here we do have now also a possibility to load other languages if you want to. You see here several languages. Just take one and you can get it as well. If I confirm again, it will install it. The next one, machine control software V40. This is one of the most important one. We select the button, change the directory, go down to the blue icon, select and install. This is very quick as you have seen. And the last one is for the pantograph configuration. So we take this one, and here you have to be a little bit careful. We do have now a possibility for an older Sprint machine. You see it is for a Sprint 4, and the other one is actually the ANW for all ZSK machines. So we go to this folder and open it with change directory. Now we go just on one of these blue icons, and on the bottom you can see now select all files. Please choose all files and install. Finish. After that we can use the button exit, and it says to us please switch off the machine and remove your flash drive and reboot the machine again, and you are back. After the machine is restarted, you will have a certain window on the screen. As you can see here, the machine reset. Here you have the possibility to say use most recent setup data or use the default data. If you use default data, you have to be sure you use it, because if you have done before the IP addresses for instance to get designs from a shared folder, those will be deleted. So I recommend to use first the button use most recent setup data please, and then to confirm it you simply press here on the bottom the one called resume switch on operation, and the machine will start up. After that everything is fine and you can continue.